Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create free shipping discount on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to the left panel and click on discounts. So just click on it. As you can see here, I already have free shipping right here and 10% off. Okay. The type of this discount code is for amount of products, and this one is for free shipping. Now, if this is your first time, you'll be able to see a big create discount button right here, center of your screen. If not, you just go ahead and click on create discount at the top right. Now in here, we are going to select free shipping, as the title suggests. Click on it, and then give your discount code a name. So you could generate random code right here, just like this one, or go ahead and add in the code that you want. For example, gummy free shipping. That will be the discount code. So which countries? All countries or just selected countries? Eligibility right here, as this is a discount code or a free shipping discount code, I would highly suggest you to leave it to all customers, okay? Minimum purchase requirements, just set it to no. Or if you want to, you go ahead and set it up however you want. Maximum discount uses, limit to 1 use per customer. And then the combinations right here and basically the active dates. Now, let's say, for example, your free shipping is just eligible for 2026. Let's say add in gummy free shipping 2026. Scroll all the way down and set an end date, okay? The end date would be December 30 or 31 or maybe January 1, 2027. And then once that's done, just click on save. Wait for the process to finish. Now to check it out, just go ahead over to discounts right here in the left panel. And then once done, as you can see here we now have our free shipping discount. So you can now go ahead and grab the discount codes right here, post it on your socials to attract more customers. Now that is how you create free shipping discounts on Shopify. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.